Hello everybody, I'm working on something new. Yay, I love to do this crochet, and I have this here. I think I bought it or my husband bought it. They are firm here, kind of like that. This one is cute. It's like a clock, but I glued in the wrong position. Didn't see that happening, but anyway, I think it's fine. So I love it. What do you think? Give me some comments and let me know if you like it. I really like it, and like I showed you before, I did also this. Is very cute, right? And I can use this with anything, with a message or a picture, you know, to hang a message or a picture. I can use this on the refrigerator door with some magnets here, and I have them, and I'm gonna probably use it that way because I really liked it. And yeah, it is cute, and you don't need much. You just need some buttons, glue. I like this glue. This glue is very good. It's crazy glue, and I like this because it has a metal thing that goes inside the tube, so it doesn't let it dry, and you know, you have to fix it before you use it. This is very practical, and there is this little thing here that you put the glue like that. See? And yeah, I really like this. If you're looking for a good glue for your crafts, I would suggest this one. Is pretty good. And yeah, so anyway, I wanted to show you this, and I'm going to finish up my project, and I'll show you soon. Bye. and put another pot, okay? So this is very easy. It's not glued over there. You can pick it up like this. If the flowers are dead, you can just cut everything and take it out on the top like that. It will come off. It will come out like this, or through the bottom here after you take this one out. And it's very easy. Just do this very quick. See? Easy, cute, practical, and you can use like that. You could even buy different colors of this and replace, like if you want to change the way it looks, and you can have this as a base, and then you can just get another color and put on the top. What do you think about that? It would be fun, just so you can have a different look from time to time. But I hope you like it, and I hope you get inspired to make your own. It's easy and practical, and I think it's cute. What do you think?